Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you, if you have an iPhone and you forgot the passcode, how can you factory reset it without password. So you know that if you enter the wrong password like few times, then it says iPhone unavailable, and if you keep doing that, it will be disabled forever. So I'm going to show you, doesn't matter if it's disabled for an hour or it says unavailable for 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes. So how can you get into the phone, or how can you factory reset it? So to do that, if you try to connect this phone with a computer or laptop, it won't detect it because you have to accept the terms and condition and tap on trust, and then it shows in iTunes or through your tools, whatever tools you're using. But in this case, I'm going to show you how can you put it in a recovery mode or DFU mode, and then computer will detect it automatically. So to do that, you got to make sure the iPhone is plugged in with a charging cable. It doesn't matter, it's connected to computer. Right now you can see it's charging. So it does not matter if it's connected to the computer or it's connected to the outlet. So it has to be plugged in. So all you have to do is put in recovery mode. You press and release the volume up button, and then you quickly press and release the volume down button, and then you will be holding the power button until you see the recovery mode. So let's do it together. So volume up, volume down, and I'm holding the power button right here. So keep holding it. As you can see, the slide to power off, it will appear, then it disappears, and then you will see an apple appearing again on the screen. You keep holding it and you keep holding it, and eventually it will show in recovery mode. There we go. So once you see this sign that connect to computer or connect to iTunes, so at this stage, if you connect it with iTunes or through your tools, I'll leave the links in the description for both software. They're free softwares, and you can connect it with the phone and then click on restore and follow the steps. It will do it for you, and I'll show you those steps, what to do after that. So now your phone is connected to iTunes. So you click next, and then you click restore iPhone, restore and update. And as you can see at the top, the blue progress bar is moving. And mind you, this process could take anywhere 20 minutes to 30 minutes, depending on your phone, which phone you're restoring. So just be patient and try not to touch the phone once it's connected to the computer or laptop. So put it somewhere where you don't have to touch it again and again, because once it's connected, if it's writing the software, if you move the phone, that can cause an error and your phone can die for ever, because it happened in the past, and then it wouldn't take the new software or it won't go in recovery mode. So you gotta be very careful when writing the software. Try not to move it around much. Right now it's extracting software. So after extracting software, it writes the software, and when it writes the software, you will see the phone will boot up. You can see the Apple logo appearing again on the phone, and at the end you will see, once it boots up, it will not ask for any password. It's just a matter of time, just a few minutes more. So I'm gonna have to run this video in fast forward mode, so you don't have to wait half an hour just watching the same thing. But now you'll see the phone will reappear on the screen. And there you go. As you can see, it appears on the screen, and the next iTunes is going to show you on the screen that right now it's saying the iPhone is in recovery mode, and then it will show that the phone has been restored. There you go. The iPhone has been restored to factory settings. As you can see the message, and now the phone boots up, and you can set it up by clicking on next. So select your country, and you can set it up as a new phone. As you can see, it did not ask for any password. Thank you for watching.